Alright, see what the flame pattern is on that plug? It's out on the outside, right? And it looks, it's not rich or anything. And this plug, the flame pattern is in the back. See, it's white on the front, all the way around the front. Then the flame pattern's on the back, which makes me believe that it's not burning properly for that reason. And I have one more that looks the same, just like that one. Where's it at? Okay, it was that one. Okay, well that one looks the same, but it's on the side. Also black on the porcelain. No, maybe that's not that. Number 2 and number 6. The rest of them look like this. BPR 7 ES.